Google just took a bold step into Pinterest's territory, launching a new AI-powered app called Mixboard. And this isn't your average collage tool. Mixboard uses Google's latest image model, Nano Banana, to help anyone instantly create professional-level mood boards using just text prompts. Here's the big idea. Instead of scrolling endlessly for inspiration, you just describe what you want, like modern coastal living room or futuristic event theme, and Mixboard's AI builds a complete visual board for you. You can edit, remix, or even ask the AI to generate more like this until you land on something perfect. That means no more hunting through Pinterest boards or stock photo sites to piece together a vision. Mixboard does the creative heavy lifting for you. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you're into tools that make creativity effortless. Google says Mixboard is now available in public beta through Google Labs in the US. You can even join their Discord to share your creations or swap prompts with other users. The magic behind it all is Nano Banana, Google's new image editing model that's been getting massive praise for producing realistic, detailed visuals. Mixboard taps into that power, allowing you to fine-tune images, combine elements, or start over with fresh AI ideas in seconds. And it's not just visuals. Mixboard also generates descriptive text to complement your images. So whether you're brainstorming decor ideas, event themes, or DIY projects, it's designed to help you turn raw inspiration into polished concepts. This launch comes on the heels of Google's Gemini AI app overtaking ChatGPT on the US App Store, showing that Google is aggressively pushing deeper into creative AI tools. Mixboard's biggest competition? Pinterest's collage app Shuffles, which went viral with Gen Z users on TikTok. But unlike Shuffles, Mixboard doesn't rely on existing images. It creates them from scratch. The bottom line, Mixboard signals how fast AI is turning creativity into something anyone can access, not just designers. Want to try it? Head to Labs, Google Mixboard and see what you can build. And before you go, check out the related video in the corner for more on how AI is reshaping creative industries. If this gave you ideas, hit that like button, subscribe and comment with how you'd use Mixboard in your work or business.